Police searching for missing Portmore teen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 17-year-old Ashanti Hall of Adventist close in Newland, Portmore, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Monday, December the 20th. Ashanti is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 5 feet 5 inches tall, and was wearing long braids when she was last seen. Reports from the Bridgeport police are that Ashanti left home about 4 p.m. on Monday but did not return home. All attempts to contact her by the police and family members have failed. When last seen, she was dressed in a pink blouse, short blue leggings, and a pair of cream slippers. Anyone with information as it relates to the whereabouts of Ashanti Hall is being asked to contact the Bridgeport Police at 876-322-0943, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.